Chapter 7 Conditional Statements and Looping. The programming that you had learnt in the previous chapter involved only mathematical calculations, but a computer can do more than just mathematical calculations. It can perform logical calculations as well. Logical calculations involve calculations using the relational and logical operators. To deal with logical calculations, let us learn about a conditional statements. If-then-else statements. The if-then-else statement is a conditional statement which is used to check for a certain condition. It checks for a condition using relational operators. The general syntax of if-then-else statement is: if condition then statement to be executed if condition is true, else statement to be executed if condition is false. For example, if A is greater than 50, then print good, else print bad. The above example will display good if the value of the variable A is greater than 50, otherwise it will display bad. You may also use logical operators in conditional statements to join two or more relations. For example, if A is greater than 50 and B is greater than 50, then print good, else print bad. It will display good only if the value of both the variables A and B are greater than 50. Otherwise, it displays bad. More examples of if-then-else. To find the greater between two numbers. CLS. Input. Enter A number. A. Input. Enter B number. B. If A is greater than B, then print A is greater, else print B is greater. And if, end. To check whether number is even or odd. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2, that is, which when divided by 2 gives the remainder as 0. Otherwise, it is an odd number because it is not divisible by 2. To find the remainder, we use mod operator. CLS. Input. Enter A number. A. If A mod 2 is equal to 0, then print number is even, else print number is odd. And if, end. To find the largest amongst three numbers. CLS. Input. Enter number A. A. Input. Enter number B. B. Input. Enter number C. C. If A is greater than B and if A is greater than C, then print A is largest. Else if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then print B is largest. Else print C is largest. And if, end. Repetitive structures. If we want to display a name 5 times on the screen, we write a program like this. Let $A is equal to India. Print $A, print $A, print $A, print $A, print $A, end. You can see that print $A has been repeated 5 times on the screen. For small programs, this is no issue, but when you want to repeat statements several times, say 100 times, the program becomes too big. In such situation, repetitive structures are used. Repetitive structures may be used in different ways in QBasic. Label and goto, for next loop, while when loop, do loop. Label goto statement. Label is a name given to a line for reference. It may be a number or a letter or group of letters followed by a colon, say A colon or B23 colon. Goto is used to transfer control from one part of a program to another part. it always transfers control to a label. For example, go to A1 will transfer control to line having its label as A1. Similarly, go to 10 will transfer control to a line having its label as 10. Let us use the combination of label and go to statement to display India 5 times on the screen. CLS C equal to 1 initialization A 10 colon print India C equal to C plus 1. If C is less than or equal to 5, then go to A10. End. Output India, 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 India. Look at the C equal to 1. It is called initialization and is used to assign an initial value to a variable. In this case, C is being initialized with 1. By default, variables are initialized with 0. The next line shows a label A10. The following line, print India, displays India. The next line, C equal to C plus 1, is used to update the value of C. Thus, C equal to C plus 1 will result in C equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. That is, the value of C increases by 1. Had been 2, it would have been 3. Similarly, if C equal to 4, it would be 5. The next line, if C is less than or equal to 5, then go to A10 would transfer the control to label A10 if the value of C is less than or equal to 5. Since C is 2, now it will transfer control to label A10 and the subsequent lines get executed. There again, India is printed and the value of C is again increased by 1. The process continues until the value of C becomes 6 and the if statement does not transfer the control to label A10 and therefore the next line gets executed. In this case, end gets executed and the program stops. For next loop. For next loop is another repetitive structure and is used when the number of iteration is known. The general syntax for loop would be for control variable equal to initial value to final value step update value. Statements to be repeated. Next, control variable. Control variable. It controls the execution of a loop from initial value to final value. For example, for I equal to 1 to 10, here I is the control variable which ranges from 1 to 10. That is, the loop iterates in such a way that the value of I gets increased by 1 with each iteration. Step update value. The bracket indicates that writing step with for is optional. When you do not write step, it increases the value of the control variable by 1. But if you give the update value, it increases the value of the control variable by update value. For example, for I is equal to 1 to 9 step 2. Here, the loop will iterate with the value of I being increased by 2 each time. Thus, the values for I for each iteration would be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The next control variable will transfer the control back to for with each iteration. The previous program could also be solved using the for next loop. CLS. For I equal to 1 to 5. Print India. Next I. End. Output. India, 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 India. How about a program that displays the first 10 odd numbers? CLS. For I equal to 1 to 19, step 2. Print I. Next I. Output 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Note that the use of step 2 increased the value of I by 2 in each iteration. The program below displays natural numbers from 10 to 1, that is, first 10 natural numbers in reverse order. CLS. For I equal to 10 to 1, step 1. Print I. Next I. End. Output. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Note that step 1 will decrease the value of I by 1 during each iteration. While-when loop. The while-when loop is another repetitive structure and is generally used when the number of iterations is not known. It has the following syntax. While, condition, statements to be repeated, updation, when. Condition is a text expression like you had given if statement. The loop continues iterations as long as the condition evaluates to true. Updation is used to update the value of a variable to keep track of the number of times the while-when is to be executed. When is used to mark the end of the loop. It transfers control back to the while statement. Now, let us try to print India 5 times using a while-when loop. CLS. C equal to 1. While C is less than or equal to 5, print India. C equal to C plus 1. When. End. Note that the counter C equal to C plus 1 keeps track the number of times the loop is getting executed. Do loop. Like while-when loop, even a do loop may be used when the number of iterations is not known. It can be used using either of the following syntax. Syntax 1. Do while, until condition. Statements to be repeated. Update value. Loop. Syntax 2. Do. Statements to be repeated. Update value. Loop while, until condition. While until means that you may use either while or until with do loop, but there is a difference between while and until. The while is used when you want the loop to be executed as long as the condition is satisfied. Until is used as long as the condition is yet to be satisfied. In other words, while ensures that the loop continues as long as the condition is satisfied, and until ensures that the loop continues as long as the condition is not satisfied. Update value is used to mark the end of the loop. It transfers control back to the do statement. The programs below using do equal to while and do until is used to display the name India 5 times on the screen. Do while. CLS. C equal to 1. Do while C is less than or equal to 5. Print India. C equal to C plus 1. Loop. End. Output. India, 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 India. The loop continues as long as C is less than or equal to 5. Thus, India gets printed 5 times on the screen as the value of C is increased by 1 with each iteration starting from 1. Do until. CLS. C equal to 1. Do until C is greater than 5. Print India. C equal to C plus 1. Loop. End. Output. India, 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 India. The loop continues as long as c does not become greater than 5, as the value of c is increased by 1 with each iteration starting from 1. When the while or the until is placed at the end of the loop, that is, after loop, it transfers control to the do statement only if the condition is satisfied. The programs below are used to display India 5 times using do loop, while, until loop. Do loop while. CLS. C equal to 1. Do. Print India. C equal to C plus 1. Loop while C is less than or equal to 5. End. Output. India, 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 India. The loop continues as long as c is less than or equal to 5. Thus, India gets printed 5 times on the screen as the value of c is increased by 1 with each iteration starting from 1. Do loop until. CLS. C equal to 1. Do. Print India. C equal to C plus 1. Loop until c is greater than 5. End. Output. India, 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 India. The loop continues as long as c does not become greater than 5, as the value of c is increased by 1 with each iteration starting from 1. Exiting a loop. It is possible to exit from a for or do loop even before the loop has completed with all its iteration. This is done using the exit command. For example, for I equal to 1 to 100, print I. If I equal to 5, then exit for. Next I. The output of the program would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is because even though the loop is supposed to iterate from 1 to 10, the statement if I equal to 5, then exit for ensures that the control come out of the loop when the value of I is 5. Exit do is used to exit from a do loop prematurely. For example, I equal to 1. Do while I is less than or equal to 10. Print I. If I equal to 5, then exit do. I equal to I plus 1. Loop. The exit command does not work with the while-when loop, but you can still work around to exit from the loop using the labels and goto statement. For example, I equal to 1. While I is less than or equal to 5, print I. If I equal to 5, then go to E. Wend. E colon. End. Notice the label E, which is outside the while wend. Whenever the value of I reaches 5, it transfers the control to E, that is, outside the loop. Quick review. Animation refers to the movement and sound accompanying text or slides in your presentation. You can apply animation effects to individual slides, to the slide master, or to custom slide layouts. Custom animation has 4 types of effects that include entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Slide transitions are the animation-like effects that occur in slideshow view when you move from one slide to the next. Slides of a presentation can be advanced in 2 ways, on mouse click or automatically after a specified time. Chapter 8. Introduction.